Welcome to Mr. Leo English. Hello, everyone. My name is Ben. I am 25 years old. I work in an office in the city. Today, I want to talk about healthy habits. I am not a doctor. I am just a normal person. But 2 years ago, I was very tired. I slept late. I ate fast food. I did not exercise. I felt weak. I had headaches. I had back pain. I felt stressed. One day, I looked in the mirror and I said, "Ben, you need to change." So I started small. Today, I want to share my healthy habits with you. Maybe my story can help you learn English and live a better life at the same time. The first habit is waking up early. Before, I woke up at 8:30 a.m. I rushed to work. I did not eat breakfast. I felt stressed in the morning. Now, I wake up at 6:30 a.m. every day. I like waking up early because the morning is quiet. The air is fresh. I feel calm. When I wake up, I do not check my phone immediately. Before, I checked social media first. It made me tired and distracted. Now, I sit on my bed and take a deep breath. I say, "Today will be a good day." Simple sentence, easy English, but it helps my mind. Healthy habit number 1, waking up early. The second habit is very simple. I drink water. After I wake up, I drink 1 big glass of water. Water is very important. My body feels better. My skin looks better. I feel more awake. Before, I drank coffee first. Now, I drink water first. Coffee is okay, but water is more important. Healthy habit number 2, drink water in the morning. The third habit is light exercise. I am not a strong athlete. I do not go to the gym every day, but I move my body. In the morning, I stretch for 5 to 10 minutes. I move my arms. I move my legs. I stretch my back. Sometimes I do 10 push-ups. Sometimes I do 20 squats. Not too much, just a little. Exercise helps my body wake up. It gives me energy. Before, I said, "I don't have time." Now I know 10 minutes is enough. Healthy habit number 3, move your body every day. The fourth habit is I eat a simple breakfast. Before, I skipped breakfast, or I ate fast food. Now I eat simple food. I eat eggs. I eat bread. I eat fruit. Sometimes I eat oatmeal. Breakfast gives me energy for work. If I don't eat, I feel tired at 10 a.m. I cannot focus. Healthy habit number 4, eat breakfast. The fifth habit is I walk more. I work in an office. I sit for many hours. Sitting too long is not good. Now I try to walk more. I take the stairs, not the elevator. I walk during lunch break. I stand up every hour. Small action, big difference. Before, my back hurt. Now my back feels better. Healthy habit number 5, walk more, sit less. The sixth habit is I eat healthy food. I still like pizza. I still like burgers. I am normal, but I don't eat fast food every day. Now I eat more vegetables. I eat chicken, fish, rice. I try to avoid too much sugar. Before, I drank soda every day. Now I drink soda once a week. Not perfect, just better. Healthy habit number 6. Eat more natural food. The 7th habit is sleeping early. Sleep is very important. Before, I slept at 1 a.m. I watched videos for hours. In the morning, I felt terrible. Now, I try to sleep at 10:30 or 11 p.m. I turn off my phone 30 minutes before bed. I read a book, or I listen to soft music. When I sleep well, I feel strong, I feel happy, I feel calm. Healthy habit number 7. Sleep 7 to 8 hours every night. The 8th habit is taking care of my mind. Health is not only about the body, it is also about the mind. I sometimes feel stressed at work. My boss gives me many tasks. Deadlines are close. Before, I felt angry. Now, I take a deep breath. I tell myself, it's okay, one step at a time. Sometimes I talk to a friend. Sometimes I write my feelings in a notebook. Talking helps. Writing helps. Healthy habit number 8. Take care of your mind. The 9th habit is drinking less alcohol. I used to drink beer with friends every weekend. It was fun, but I felt tired the next day. Now I drink less, maybe once or twice a month. My body feels better. My head feels clear. Healthy habit number 9. Drink less alcohol. The 10th and final habit is making small goals. Before, I wanted to change everything in one day. I said, I will wake up early. I will go to the gym every day. I will stop eating junk food. I will sleep at 10 p.m. It was too much. After 1 week, I felt tired. I stopped. I felt disappointed. Now I do something different. I change one small thing at a time. This week, I focus only on water. I say, this week I will drink 2 liters of water every day. That's all. Only water. Nothing else. When I finish 1 week, I feel proud. It is a small win. Next week, I focus on walking. I say, this week I will walk for 15 or 20 minutes every day. Not 1 hour, not too much, just 15 to 20 minutes. After that, I choose another small goal. Today, choose one small goal. 1 step, 1 week, then another step. That is how I change my life. Healthy habit number 10. Making small goals. Now I want to talk to you. What time do you wake up? Do you drink water in the morning? Do you move your body every day? What do you eat for breakfast? What time do you go to bed? You can answer in simple English in the comments. Be honest with yourself. And now I want to ask you a more important question. If you continue your current habits for 5 more years, will your life be better or worse? You do not need to change everything today. Just choose one habit. Only one. Maybe tonight you sleep 30 minutes earlier. Maybe tomorrow morning you drink 1 glass of water. That is enough to start. Small action, big result. Before we finish, I have a small gift for you. Changing habits is not easy. Sometimes we feel motivated today, but tomorrow we forget. So I made something simple for you. It is called Habit Change and Practice Journal, 30 Days. In this journal, you can choose one small habit, track it for 30 days, write simple English sentences, and see your progress step by step. You can download it for free. The link is below this video. Don't just watch, take action. Print it. Start today. Maybe tonight you write, "Today I start with water," or "Today I sleep 30 minutes earlier." Small step, big future. If you like simple and calm English lessons, please subscribe to Mr. Leo English. Like this video and comment, "Today I start with water." Tell me your small goal. I read your comments. See you in the next lesson.